Hi guys, it's Jenna from the Cold Spring Harbor Library, and today I have another fun craft for you for summer reading, and that is going to be the dragon egg. So with the dragon egg, you're going to be getting this nice fun large egg, some model magic, and you're going to get a whole bunch of little fun supplies and decorations to decorate your egg. So first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to open up your model magic. You're gonna get different various colors. You're just gonna open them all up. First things first, I'm gonna mush them all together. You don't have to do that. You could do one solid color if you want. And I'm going to push around and twist around the two colors to make a pretty design. Once you see that it's the way that you want it to be, you can see that mine's all swirled. You're going to try and flatten it out as much as you can. Try not to get holes. If there's a hole, you try and fix it. You're going to keep on pushing it out and around, fixing holes. And you're going to wrap around your egg. I'm going to fix the holes while you're wrapping the egg in the model magic. As you can see, it's going to be taking a lot of model magic to make. You can rip some off and just work it around the egg. Try not to crack the egg open. Gotta fix more holes. Once you see that you have a good chunk of it done, go and place it down. Hopefully it'll sit flat. You're gonna take more of your model magic. Put it on another big chunk of your egg. Try and blend in the two pieces. See, with bigger holes like this, you can pinch and push. Try and close that up. And then when you're done, you're going to see you have an egg covered in model magic. Once you get there, you can start taking these fun gems and you just push it into the egg and they'll stick. And keep on going until you're happy with how your egg looks. And then once you finish decorating your egg, here is your dragon egg. It's all nice and complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this craft. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.